Welcome back again to my channel. Viewers, today we shall deliberate on the second part of the episode, that is challenges of working from home, either permanently or for a continuous period in the existing socio-economic structure and system. On last Sunday we had discussed in the part 1 program on the same issue, that is about an employees issues and the family vis-a-vis society issues. Today we shall be discussing on employers issues and also the economy issues. So therefore, to start with, first thing, like earlier occasions as we said, that the issues of employers mainly relate to gains and profit, because number 1, 2, 3 I am telling you. Number 1, during this work from home started basically in March and for a continuous period, employers, basically IT employers, have gained productivity not less than 20% gaining of production and productivity. Number 2, the employee cost, per capita employee cost as per a statistics surveyed in the IT capital Bengaluru is that per employee 15,000 rupees as overhead cost has been saved. Number 3, there has been zero cost on transportation of employees. Number 4, there are no stationary expenses, there are no incidental expenses. So it is a question of gaining out of this experimental basis on a continuous period of work from home on the part of the IT companies. In fact, the last quarterly report is that they have gained, every single company has gained during this work from period for their productivity increase and other things. So these are the point of gains on the part of the employer. There are certain disadvantages points also. What are these? Number 1, the direct contact with the employees have been lost. Now, as you know, there are certain truant type of employees who are required to be controlled on the office floor, and in this work from home concept they are absolutely out, so they are required to be controlled, guided, and that is lost. Number 1. Number 2, the direct touch is absolutely absent, so motivating employees on direct face-to-face basis on the office is something else, so that is lost. Also, additional responsibility has come up on every HR department of all the companies, that is to keep whereabouts of the employees, their well-being, their mental health, etc., etc. Now coming to economy issues. Economy has gained like anything, because in a sense the new startup companies have come up during this period. Even the work from home employees are also in their leisure hours, weekdays, they are participating, collaborating each other for introducing startup entrepreneurs like service to people. So these are the economic point of view, one of the gains. Number 2, during this period, fuel saving has been great extent to a, if it may not be 5, 6, 7% so, but again there has been fuel saving. Number 2. And number 3 is that, you know, there has been slight reduction in the pollution, in the environment pollution, basically in the air pollution and sound pollution, even to a very minimal extent, but even then due to fuel consumption being less, that has been the gains during the period. The damaging portions are there, like, you know, the transactions have been less, because when the people are in the office, so thousands and thousands of people, lakhs of people are in the offices, so they always go for purchase spree of various things. So this transaction in the economic interest is very much important, but that is quite low during this period. Particularly during the lockdown period, it was absolutely over, nothing. And also there are certain other points from economic point of view that one can easily estimate. The GDP, what we say gross domestic product, the service product, though has increased, but due to transactional process, the production, manufacturing and other things have been reduced. So that way economy has been slightly disturbed. Now, friends, I would like to conclude my sessions by saying 3 points. Number 1, I am not championing for working home concepts. I have no issue on that. I have simply tried to make an analytical problems analysis and presenting my concept and behavior automatically the inputs that were available to me. Number 1. Number 2, I have decided to reduce my duration of the video program around 6 minutes because last one was more than 9 minutes. So I want to keep it within 6 minutes, not to tax the patience and the time constraints of the viewers. And number 3, my next issue that next Sunday will be discussed, that is a very important issue. In fact, you will be surprised that today's day, in this day today, that the communication is such an important issue that for a wrong communication a riot can be started, and for a right communication an unemployed person can get a job. It is vice versa. So that will be that serious and very important aspect of today's context, communication, that will be discussed on next Sunday. Until then, please stay with us, and we shall be meeting on next Sunday. Please share, like and subscribe also to extend the circle, and at the same time please send your comments to my email. I am concluding, and we hoping to meet again next Sunday. Thank you and goodbye.